Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot SSO with Google or Microsoft accounts, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings section found in the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, select Account Settings. Scroll down to locate the Single Sign-On option. Click on Single Sign-On to access the configuration settings. Choose either Google or Microsoft as your preferred identity provider. For Google, click on Connect Google. You will be prompted to sign into your Google account. After signing in, grant HubSpot the necessary permissions. Once connected, return to the HubSpot configuration page. For Microsoft, choose Connect Microsoft instead. Sign into your Microsoft account when prompted. Authorize HubSpot to access your Microsoft account details. Return to the HubSpot configuration settings after authorization. Review the integration details to ensure everything is set correctly. Save your changes by clicking on the Save button at the bottom. To verify the setup, log out of your HubSpot account. Try logging back in using your Google or Microsoft credentials. If successful, the integration is confirmed. You've now completed the setup for HubSpot SSO with Google or Microsoft accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.